Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. Doing dishes is not something that I'm sure anyone enjoys, but we all have to do. So I've been on the lookout for the perfect set of sponges. I love these sponges by Airnex. I love that they are plant-based. That is something that is very important to me, but they are also very durable and they really get the job done. I love that they are odor-free and they are non-scratch. I have not had any issues with these scratching any of the pans that I have so far, but you do want to make sure that you test a small area just to be sure. I love that it is double-sided because on some of my things, I just would like the softer side, but if I have a little bit more of a stuck-on mess, I love this side coconut fiber because it really gets the job done. I also love the shape. It makes it a lot easier to hold when you're doing your dishes. And they also are odorless, so you're not gonna get that stinky smell that you get from normal sponges. If you are looking for the perfect plant-based sponge, look no further. It's right here. I found it for you, and that's my point of view.